Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a downloadable PDF file to your Shopify store. First, head over to Help site. This is the tool that we'll use to embed the PDF. The link is in the description so you can go straight to the right page. Once you've clicked the link, enter your email, create a password to create a new account. Once you're inside Help site, go to the search widget box at the top right corner and type File. You'll see the File Embed widget, again go ahead and click on that. Help site will now ask you to pick a template. Since we're adding a PDF, choose the PDF file template. Then click Continue with this template. Inside the content area, you can click Add File, and where you can upload straight from your computer or paste from a link. Choose Browse File. Then select the PDF that you'll be uploading. Once it finishes uploading, you can rename it and you can also add a preview image. Let's click Done. After that, delete the sample file that comes along with the content bar. If you want, you can also add a widget title like Download My PDF or any other title that you would like to put on the widget title. Now let's head over to the Layout tab. In the Layout tab, here you can choose how the PDF appears on your site. Grid, List, and the default one, which is the File Viewer, which shows the actual PDF on the page. You can also edit whether the icon shows, preview image size, download button text like download here, download this, and the width and height. I recommend not adjusting the width and height so the viewer stays proportional. Now let's move on to the Appearance tab. Once you've entered the Appearance tab, here you can style the widget, change the icon colors, adjust the font, and you can also add your customized CSS file and JS file. Feel free to explore and style it however you want. Once you're happy with everything or how it looks, click Publish. You'll be taken to the pricing page. Just choose Free Plan for now. It already lets you embed the widget and test it out. You can upgrade later for more widgets or more monthly views. After selecting a plan, Help site will now show you your embed code. Click Copy Code. Go to your Shopify editor. Click Add Section. Search for Custom Liquid. And paste the embed code inside the Custom Liquid box. Give it a second and your PDF should appear now. If you see a Chrome warning inside the editor like this page has been blocked, don't panic. That's only inside the editor preview. If you want to check your live website preview, just click Save. And go to another preview tab, click Refresh. And now your customers can browse the PDF and download it directly from your Shopify site. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most out of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.